Ding ding bell, school is near, but something spooky appears right rear. Mummy, zombie, witch and more. Knock, knock, knock on the classroom door. Step, 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 what a sight. Spooky school, but feels alright. Kitty walks into school today. Books and chairs are ready to play. But suddenly lights go flicker-a-glay. Something moves behind a sticker. Spooky, spooky, who is there? Funny friends are everywhere. Mummy walks in all uptight, but he waves and says good night. Kitty laughs, you look so funny. Mummy shares his lunch and honey. Step, 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 don't be scared. Spooky school is everywhere. Skeleton clicks his bones. Zombie groans in funny tones. They try to write on classroom board, but letters fall and hit the floor. Ding, 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 spooky fun. School with monsters is #1. Witch flies in on broom so fast. Sprinkles glitter all at last. Books start dancing in the air. Kitty claps without a care. Spooky, spooky, what a show. Magic school is fun, you know. Dracula comes with big smile, but he just wants to stay a while. He drinks juice, not scary blood, and joins the fun with everyone. Step, 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 dance and play. Spooky school is fun today. Ding, ding bell, school is fun. Spooky friends for everyone. Mummy, zombie, witch and all. Kitty school is the best of all. Yum, 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 candy rains. Baby shark eats once again. Pop, pop, pop goes jelly booms. Candy flying round the room. Oops, oops, tummy shake. Too much candy, tummy ache. Baby shark finds candy store. Chocolate falling on the floor. Lollipops and gummy bears. Candy flying everywhere. Baby shark says more, more, more. Ben needs a giant candy ware. As yum, 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 chew, chew, chew. Too much candy, what to do? Baby shark jumps super high. Candy shooting to the sky. Spin, spin, spin around the chair. Sticky jelly in his hair. He slips and slides across the floor. Then wants candy even more. Kitty hears a boom, boom, boom. Candy bouncing round the room. Baby shark goes, oh no me. My tummy feels all wiggly. Kitty says, now listen here. Too much candy's not good, dear. No, 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 candy stop. Time for healthy munch, munch, chop. Kitty brings banana shake. 1 apple slices on a plate. 1 crunch, crunch, crunch goes carrot bite. Baby shark feels alright, right. Water splash and soup so warm. Healthy food becomes the charm. Crunch, 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 healthy fun. Strong and happy everyone. Baby shark now dances slow. Healthy power starts to grow. Candy sometimes is okay, but not all night and all day. Kitty laughs and claps with glee. Healthy habits lead they. Yum, 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 candy treat. But healthy food is good to eat. Kitty helps and saves the day. Happy shark can laugh and play. Five skeletons were stealing eggs at night. They grabbed the eggs and ran out of sight. But Kitty woke up with glowing eyes. Hey, stop right there! She shouted in surprise. One got caught, poof, he's gone. Hit the rest ran fast before the dawn. Kitty called the inspector and inspector said, hi. Bostonian pool. He saw her and started to flee. No more eggs for me, I'm free. Kitty didn't even need to chase. Peace returned to Kitty's place. Inspector came and closed the case. All eggs safe, no more waste. Eggs are safe, the farm is fine. Kitty did an awesome shine within, with happy meows and morning lights. No more stealing eggs
Almost got 'em all.
tonight.
Into the basket.
Kitty and Dino ready to play. Hide and seek the counting way. Numbers hiding, where can they be? Let's find them. 1, 2, 3. Count, 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 come along. Hide and seek number song. Read Mr. 1, Mr. 1, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near one little tree. One jumps out, happily. Mr. 2, Mr. 2, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near two tiny shoes. Two pops out with funny moves. Mr. Train, Mr. 3, where are you? Let's find him. 1, 2, 3. Hey! Hiding near brain, bus and bees. Hannibal Gosho both. Mr. 5, Mr. 4, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near 4 funny fogs. 4 jumps over logs. Mr. 5, Mr. 5, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near 5 shiny stars. 5 waves from afar. Mr. 6, Mr. 6, where are you? Let's find him. 1, 2, 3. Hey! Here I am, 6 silly sticks. 6 plays magic tricks. Mr. 7, Mr. 7, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near 7 volumes. Taven sings funny tunes. Mr. 8, Mr. 8, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near 8 top cakes. Malva does silly shakes. Mr. 9, where are you? Let's find him. 1, 2, 3. Hiding near 9 toy cars. Dine zoom super far. Mr. 10, Mr. 10, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near 10 jungle drums. Tango boom, 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 boom. Toot and un, teet and boom. Hide and seek none, fun to do. Kitty and Dino clap and cheer. Let's count again right here. Count, 1 to 10. Play the number game again. Mr. 10, Mr. 1, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near 1 little tree. 1 jumps out happily. Mr. 10, Mr. 2, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near through tiny shoes. 2 pops out with funny moves. Mr. 3, Mr. 3, where I move. Spring and gone to me. Hiding near through buzzing green. Hide on the or show out. Mr. 4, Mr. 4, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near 2 tiny shoes. 2 pops out with funny moves. Mr. 3, Mr. 3, where are you? Let's find him. 1, 2, 3. Hiding near 4 funny stars. 5 days from afar. Mr. 6, Mr. 6, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near 6 silly sticks. Sticks plays magic tricks. Mr. 7, Mr. 7, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near 7 balloons. And sings funny tunes. Mr. 8, Mr. 8, where are you? Let's find him. 1, 2, 3. 7 sings funny tunes. Mr. 8, Mr. 8, where are you? 20 and lucky old.